I was an overnight security guard at a forgotten, decommissioned nuclear power plant. At first, the eerie silence and vast shadows played tricks on my mind, but soon, I began to notice an unnatural pattern, like Morse code, in the flickering of the old security monitors. One night, curiosity overcame me, and I decoded the message, "Help us, we're alive." Terrified, I combed through the massive, ancient blueprints of the plant, discovering a secret underground level marked bioexperimentation. Armed with my flashlight, I ventured down into the forgotten depths, the air growing colder, the silence heavier. Upon reaching the end of a long, dark corridor, I found a steel door, barely hanging off its hinges, and behind it, a room filled with glowing green pods, each containing a skeletal figure. The blink of their eyes illuminated the room in unison, and together they whispered, "Welcome back, we've been waiting for you."